Oh, that's a kiss. You do a kiss? That's very cute. Thank you, Dolly. Yeah, you're such a sweet girl. Sorry that the camera's not all that good. I'm sitting, like I do explain, I'm sitting a fair way back from her. Oh, sorry, Dolly. I'm sorry. You were having a personal moment there. Hey, Dolly. Dolly, you were talking before, like doing human words. You weren't, yeah. Oh, you were saying other things. A pretty girl, I love you. You weren't saying I love you. You were saying pretty boy, actually, and I thought that was funny. Now, yeah, you are a pretty girl. Thank you. Ah, well, thank you, darling. What else were you saying? You were counting, Dolly, remember? No, you were doing it this way. You're going, no, you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're doing that before. Do you remember? I remember. Yeah, yeah, really, yeah. Yeah, it was you. You were counting. You were going, no, not that way. No, you were doing it this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Without the gecko at the end. That's what you were saying. It's true. Can't you think back? You got your head on. Oh, yeah. You did say hello to the good people. Oh, that's sweet. The good people. Yeah. Hello, good people. Gecko. Oh, pretty girl. You tricked me. Whoa, whoa. Oh, I love it when you have a chat. And it's, fun chat time. Oh, little, you can't be too loud, Dolly. Hey, shh. It's night time. Oh, Dolly? And what else? There's so many other things. Were you were being a magpie for a moment then? That's what a magpie says. Hello, Dolly. That's what Dolly says. Yeah. Oh, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, Dolly. Magpie. What else do we say? There's so many things. Oh, I'm sorry, Dolly. Oh, you doing your aerobics? One leg out. That's a good stretch. A big stretch on the up. That must feel good. Does that feel better, Dolly? You feel better? You had a good stretch? Oh, kisses. That's sweet. Yeah. Uh-huh. Pretty girl says hello to the good people. Well, I know when you pop your head down and you finish like that. Oh. Oh. Okay. Uh-huh. I did that because you sometimes don't know how to stop. You get on a little roll, don't you? And when you pop your head down like that, you're a little pissed off. What's up, Dolly? Is it me? Hello, Dolly. I love you. Okay. Okay. Oh, what? What, Dolly? I gave you treats earlier. You had treats earlier, and you had more seed and everything. What's up? Do you want to, like, you got a treat? Up there, there's a grape. You still have a grape? So, oh, you're just feeling a bit like that. Is it like good night time for Dolly? A quick yarn, a bit of a squawk. Well, you are a bird. You are allowed to pop your head down and squawk like that. We try to avoid that. Well, not so much avoid it, but just the sound is very loud, so tone down those sounds a bit. Yeah. All right, Dolly. Thank you for saying hello and letting me tape you without too much fuss. That might have been why she was having a bit of a squawk, actually, because she's wondering why I'm not up closer. But it's just her getting used to the phone, camera phone. She's flicking out the bits. It's so funny. She's flicking out, if I can move this a bit. Yeah. She's flicking out the bits in her little bowl that she doesn't like. I think that's funny. Just to get to their favourites. And don't we all do that? Well, I do that with popcorn anyway. Actually, I eat the ones I don't like first and leave the yummiest ones to the end. So, yeah. But anyway, this is not popcorn. It's Dolly's seed time. All right, Dolly, we'll go. I'll say goodbye, Dolly, and don't expect you to say goodbye because you have a mouthful of food. All right, guys, happy Thursday or Friday or whatever day it is in your part of the world. Wednesday, who knows? Hold on, let's see what day it is for me. Right this very moment. It is literally Friday. There you go. Happy Thursday, happy Friday, and take care out there. Love to all. Bye for now.